Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have essentials, an email and a working device. Now start the account creation. Open your device settings or visit Play. Google.com, click Sign In or Create Account. Use a real name and a strong password. This helps with recovery and verification. Once done, add a recovery phone or secondary email so you can regain access if you forget credentials. Make sure to accept core Google terms. They enable Play Store features. Next, you'll link payment and privacy settings. Stay with me. You'll now complete verification and personalize settings. After entering basic info, Google often requires phone or email verification. Follow the code prompt. This confirms identity and protects purchases. Next, enable two-step verification for greater security. Use SMS or an authenticator app. Then open the Play Store app, select your new account, and review privacy and data sharing options. Toggle settings to limit ad personalization if you prefer. Make sure payment options reflect your region because app prices and tax depend on country settings. Finish by adding or skipping a payment method. Choose credit, debit, or Google Play balance. You can always add later. Install one free app to confirm the account is active and that purchases or downloads work. After that, customize notifications and parental controls as needed. If the Play Store shows errors, clear app cache, force stop, and sign out, then back in. If that fails, remove the account and re-add it or switch to a different Wi-Fi. Those steps fix most sync or verification problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.